Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Today we are going to talk about average, what it really means and how to calculate it correctly. On our previous episode, we talked about sum, how to get total on Excel. But today we are going to be talking about average. Before we do that, let me quickly take you on a journey. I want to take you back to SS and GSS. You know, when we hear people saying average, when we hear the word average, they often think it's just one thing. But in mathematics, average can actually mean three different things. When you hear average, you feel like, oh, it's just one thing, average of a thing. But in mathematics, we have three types of average. Okay, we have the mean, the median, and the mode. We have mean, median, and mode. First, let's talk about mean. The mean is what most people think of as average. Yes. To calculate it, you add all the number together, then divide by how many numbers they have. Like you add all of these numbers together, you add it together here to get this total, then you are going to divide it by how many number they are. Okay, that is the meaning of mean. Then we have the other one that says median. The median is the middle number when the numbers are arranged from the smallest to the largest. Okay, the median, don't forget, I need you to write it down so that you will not forget. The median is the middle number when the numbers are arranged from the smallest to the largest. Okay, for example, if we have 1, okay, we have 3, let's say we have 5, the middle number of these three numbers is 3 because it is in the middle, right? It is in the mid, that is why it is called median. Okay, the median number here is 3. Okay, if we have two middle numbers, you can add them together. Let's say, okay, for example, this is 8. Okay, so we have three middle numbers here right now. We have 3, which is 3 and 5. You are going to add the two together and divide it by 2. Okay, that is how you are going to. It is very simple. I'm just taking you back to the old days so that you can learn something new again today. Now we have the other one that says mode. Okay, mode is the number that appears most frequently. Let's say, for example, we have 4 here, we have 7 here, we have 8 here, we have 7 again, we have 5, and we have 7 here again. Mode is the number that appears most frequently. So what is the number that appears most frequently here? The number is simply 7, because 7 appears more than 1. Okay, so this is just the meaning of that. So in a nutshell, mean is the total number, the total divided by the number of the value. The total, like adding all of this number together, getting the total of this figure, then dividing it by how many number there are. That is the meaning of mean. Okay, the median is the middle value, the middle number. Okay, the mode is the most frequent value. Okay, so on today's episode we are going to be checking average on Microsoft Excel. Okay, it is very simple, very simple. The way we got our sum is still the way we are going to be. When you know your formula on Excel, Excel is not hard at all you need is your formula. Okay, is your formula. So we want to get the average of all of these numbers. Okay, we want to get the average. And how do we do that? All you have to do is to enter equals to, okay, then you press your average. Okay, average, then you open brackets. Average of what exactly? Average of this. Okay, average of this divided by how many this thing we have here. How many days? We have Monday, which is 1, Tuesday 2, Wednesday 3, Thursday 4, Friday 5, then Saturday 6, divided by 6. Close your brackets and enter. Okay, that is just it. Then all you have to do is to drag down. Okay, just drag it down. Just drag it down, and that is it. Okay, and that is it. If you bring out your calculator and try to get the average of this manually, you are going to see that this is very, very correct. This is very, very correct. Okay, all we did here was equals to, then average. Okay, equals to, you enter your average, you open brackets, this total. Okay, this total divided by the number of the days, like Monday to the numbers, okay, divided by this. Then you close your bracket and you enter it. This is the formula. Look at the movement of my mouse. This is the formula right here. This is the formula. Then you drag down. Once you drag down, the average is going to, this is the average of this total right here. Let's bold this, don't forget, to make the work look more neater. Okay, then you can even, give it a color that you would want. Give it a color you would want. Let's say you come here, don't forget as well, you just give it a color. You can decide to give it this color. Okay, you can do like that and decide to do that. Then this does not have border as well. You have to give it a border. You have to give it a border. Okay, so then you click and you do all borders. Yeah, so this is it. This is it. Then if you want to change the color, do not forget it is in our previous episode. You just click on it. You want to give it color, the figure, you want to change it from black to another color, another visible color, maybe red, or you come to more colors, then you just select. Okay, you just select the color you would want. You can choose a very brighter color. Okay, let's say, let's choose this color. Okay, this is too fade. Let's change the color of the cell. Yes, we can change the color of the cell. Okay, maybe we should do black. Okay, I think black is good. Then we have to change the color of the average as well. You can change it to probably white. Let's say white. Okay, so this is just it. This is how you get your average. Okay, it is very, very simple. Very, very simple. On Excel, once you know your formula, like I said, once you know your formula on Excel, you are good to go. You are good to go. So whatsoever formula you have, you can have a jotter to put in your formula, to keep writing down your formula so that you will not forget. Because there's one thing about Excel, if you're not practicing it every day, believe me, you are going to forget all of this. You are going to forget the formula. You are going to forget them. So I challenge you to do this by yourself. You can prepare a report for students. You can prepare a report for students. You are going to list their name, the subjects, then you give them random scores, then you do the total, then you get the average as well. You can do that. I challenge you to. It is very, very simple. So once you get what I've said here, you can do that on your own. Thank you so very much. If this video helped you understand average better, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might need it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.